Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Wix for easy refund request for customers. So setting up a clear automated refund system improve customers' trust and use refund form automation and clear policies to streamline the process. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can easily set up a Wix easy refund request for customers. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to log into your Wix account, then open your site, then click the settings, then click on the store policy, then under the refund policy add eligibility criteria, which is time frame and product condition. Then refund method, you can simply add the stock credit or original payment for processing time between 5 to 10 working days. Then click on save. Then after that, create a refund request form. Then for that, for you to do that, click on the editors, then click on add, which is the plus icon, then click on contact and form. Then under that, custom forms, click on custom forms, then choose a form template and customize the field with order number, customer's name and email, then reason for refund. Then can also add a drop down, which is the wrong item, detective, or any other reason for refund. And after that, upload a photo for product issues. Then click submit button. Then after that, set a email notification for your support team. Then click on save and publish. And after that, go to the dashboard and click on automation. Then click create automation. Then select form submission as a trigger. Then set send confirmation email as the action. Then after that, thanks the customers, then inform them for the next step, then provide support contact details, then click activate. And after that, add the refund policy page var minus and page, then click on add, then place a link in the footer for easy access, then mention a refund in FAQ or product page. Then after that, go to order, then click on manage order, then locate the order, click on issue refund, then choose refund method and add it as partial or full refund, then confirm and notify the customers. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can set up Wix for easy refund request for customers. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.